I played basketball and softball all my life.
Denver's physical activity started when she was 9 years old.
We were in an open gym for basketball, and I went to go rebound the ball. My knee popped, and I knew immediately I was done.
I got a phone call, and it was the basketball coach.
Turns out to be my ACL, so.
And this was her first major injury.
The surgeon was considering different options on how to put in a new ACL, and the donated ACL seemed like the best option. Tissue donation, you check it off on your license, but it actually affects real people. Like, it may not seem like it may seem like, no, this will never happen to me. Like, that's what I thought. But look at me now, like, I have a new ACL because of a tissue donation.
My daughter, she's whole again. And what she would have thought a year, 2 years ago was her path, it's not anymore. It's changed. And she's loving every minute of it.
I'm forever grateful for their donation. It's given me a future, and it's given me my life back.